Commercial ground bean taste coffee machine operation video. There are 4 powder boxes inside. It can fill in coffee powder, milk powder, soybean powder and coconut powder, and so on powder as you like. There are a variety of flavors to adjust as espresso, latte, cappuccino, soy milk latte, raw coconut latte, americano, soy milk, sweet milk, soybean milk, coconut milk. Please see the interface settings. Press and hold the upper left corner to enter settings mode. Press the machine programming. Powder combination as will. Set the first for hot water and second for hot or cold water. Slide operation to set other flavors. Press the drink name to set your drink name. Press the left icon to change the drink icon. Press the return button in the upper left corner. Press the function selection. Cleaning methods can be selected. Press the sales statistics. You can check the cup number of drinks. The number of individual cups can be cleared, and the cumulative number of cups cannot be cleared. Thank you for watching. Thank you.